Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install Roblox on a PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up a browser and search Roblox download. Press enter. Select the first link. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download done, you can install the Roblox. After the installation done, you can open it and play the game without having any problem. And you can also install in Microsoft Store. Go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Click on open it. In search you just need to type Roblox. Select the Roblox. Select the install option and install the Roblox. After getting installed done, you can go to search menu and type Roblox and you will get a Roblox player. Select it and you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.